Alright guys, it's finally in the garage. Looks pretty good. I powder coated it black, gloss black. They did a real good job actually. And my wheels look ugly, but they make it look nice. And these are the struts, towers I was telling you guys about. I didn't get to show you guys, but this is what I came up with. I think it's gonna work pretty good. It's got this brace on top, got a brace on the back, and yeah, it's the same thing on the other side. Gonna have a custom made brace going across the back here to add support. Yeah, that's it guys. Whew. It's damn hot, but here's the motor. It's prepped and ready to be put in here. And yeah, so everything's pretty much ready to go inside. I did not splice this up, and I ended up just picking up a crank sensor off of a K24a2. It's the same thing. It plugs up to the harness, which is the same from my R6 Type S. I mean R6 base model. That reminds me, I should have picked up that harness. Damn it. Oh well. Anyways, everything plugs up. Everything's good. Should fire up right now. No, I'm just kidding. But here my ECU plugs, gonna run through my firewall in the back. And I got the half shaft off of a R6 Type S. And yeah, it's ready to go, guys. Finally.
Somehow I made too many promises. I won't go back on them, no. Girl, we gotta work it out right now. I swear I'll make you love again. I'll make you love again, yeah. If it's the last thing that I say, I make sure I say it the right way. If it's the last thing that I do, I make sure that I get through to you. Somehow I made too many promises. I won't go back on them, no. Girl, we gotta work it out right now. I swear I'll make you love again. I'll make you love again, yeah. If it's the last thing that I say, I make sure I say it the right way. If it's the last thing that I do, I make sure that I get. I wanna know who you really are, what you dream about at night. I wanna know who you really are, baby, come into the light. I wanna know you. Ooh, I wanna know you. Ooh.
Yes, finally in. It's finally in. Goddamn. Woo. Looking good, guys. Whew. All right, guys. Finally got it in. It's kind of dark outside already because, yeah, it took a while because I had to take off the hubs and that side for the suspension. But everything's in now. The motor is finally in. Jesus, pretty excited. I'm happy. Looks like it's meant to be there, guys. All that's left is a lot. I gotta still plumb the I'm gonna be running my radiator up here, and I'm gonna run some aluminum lines all the way to the back. I have purchased some aluminum pipes already, and that's gonna go probably run from the front all the way to the back, and it's gonna be right there. And yeah, it's a pretty simple setup. It's just gonna use the same housing for the coolants and stuff. And that is it for this, you guys. It's in, all the bolts are in. It's kind of late, I'm kind of tired, worked all day, and I just had to complete this to get this all in. This thing's sitting on the ground, guys. Look at that. Oh man. Alright guys, I'm sweating and it's already like 10 o'clock. And thanks you guys for checking it out. I'm pretty beat. I'm gonna go spend some time with my baby and my wife, and yeah, done quite a bit, so I'm good. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for everything else that's gonna go on afterwards. Thanks guys. Check you guys out next time.